Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We got a killer deal. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can invite more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers on their platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got, yes guys, I know we've seen this before, but right now we got a better deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section. Big shout out to Oliver at the Deal Team 6. Let's see, it's too early. It's 5 in the morning. It's just got up. All right, so you got $389. You go to the free tool with purchase. All right, you got the battery, but this time is different. You get the angle grinder. The angle grinder is going to get you a much discount on this tool hack. This is the 4.5 5-inch angle grinder, variable speed. So this is the new angle grinder, guys. The brand new angle grinder. It's hackable, because that's the old one did not have a variable speed. This one's the brand new variable speed. All right, so you select this item, you add both to the cart. You're gonna get yourself those prices. If this thing hurries up. All right, guys. The brand new angle grinder with variable speed. It's $151, guys. Definitely check that one out. I think that's a really good price on that one. Definitely check that one out. That's pretty good. All right, guys. This is the Bandsaw kit with the 5-amp-hour battery, charger, and a case. It's gonna drop down to $237. Yes, guys, $237. You guys heard it right. That is a killer deal on both of these. Killer deal. Go get them, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. And again, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.